such that AP equal to 2AB. AP is equal to twice AP. B equals AB. Okay. Suppose this is X, this is X, right? B is X, this is X. So the total AB is 4X. It will be 4X. Clear? This is somebody joining நினைக்கிறேன். Okay, Veni Ilampurnam. Hi, Veni.
Sir, I'm Akshya.
Oh, Akshya. Okay, bring it.
Yes.
You are in the lens, yeah? Okay.
Yes,
Okay, quarter exam?
From 15th, sir.
15th தான். Okay, 12th க்கும் 15th தான், 11th க்கும் 15th தானா? Sure. So let's just continue. Read the problem. Problem is there. So there is
சரி, இதை நம்ம இது வச்சு அப்ளை பண்ணலாம் சார். பித்தாகரஸ் தியரம் யூஸ் பண்ணி பிபியை கண்டுபிடிச்சி அப்புறமா பிபியும் எக்ஸ்ன்ற சைடும் தெரியும் போது
see, we want to determine, we know this angle theta 1 and theta 2, tan theta 1 and tan theta 2 we can easily determine, because from this diagram the opposite side and adjacent sides are known. So if tan theta equal to tan of, because this theta is equal to theta 1 minus theta 2. Therefore, tan theta is tan of theta 1 minus tan theta 2. You see? So what is the formula for tan theta 1 minus theta 2? Right? Tan theta 1 minus theta 2 equal to tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2 divided by 1 plus tan theta 1 tan theta 2. Now what is tan theta 1 from the diagram? Theta 1 is this big angle. So the opposite side is 2x and the adjacent side is 4x. Half. And tan theta 2 is 1 by 4. So tan theta is what is needed. So we can simply substitute in the formula for tan of theta 1 minus theta 2. Tan theta equal to, applying in that formula, tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2 divided by 1 minus tan theta 1 into tan theta 2. Half minus quarter.
1 plus, sir.
Get a plus, right? So 1 by 4, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is 1 by 4. 1 plus half into quarter is 1 by 8. So this is 9 by 8. Yeah, 1 plus 1 by 8. 2 by 9 is the answer. 2 by 9 is one of the options, right? Right. Option 3. Hope you all followed, right? Akshay and Sundaresan, you are okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Let's go to the next problem. Okay. So now x is in the range 0 to 2 pi both inclusive. The number of real values of x which satisfy the equation cos x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x plus cos 4x equal to 0. Okay. So இங்க வந்துட்டு இந்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா usually we need that sum to product transformation. Cos x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x plus cos 4x equal to 0. So, so what is the sum to product transformation for this cos x plus cos 2x? Cos A plus cos B is fingertips. So can you tell me? Akshaya, why don't you tell me? Cos A plus cos B is equal to what? Two cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Okay. So this formula we have seen many times in the past. Therefore, cos x plus cos 2x will be 2 cos x plus 2x whole divided by 2. Cos A minus B by 2 is x minus 2x whole divided by 2, which will be minus x by 2. But cos of minus x by 2 is x by 2. And I'll write it as cos x by 2. By the same logic, this will be cos 7x by 2 into cos x by 2. So you see there is a common factor here. That is what makes it easy to solve the problem. So cos x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x plus cos 4x is equal to, we are adding these two. So I'm taking out 2 cos x by 2, which is common, into cos So again, apply the same formula. Cos 3x plus 2, 3x by 2 plus cos 7x by 2 will be 2 cos a plus b by 2. So that will be 10x by 2 whole divided by 2. So that means 5x by 2. Similarly, this will be 3x minus 7x will be minus 4x divided by 2. So minus x. So already there is one divided by 2. So we are doing another divided by 2. Right. So it will be simply cos x. Equal to, when multiply, you get 4 cos x by 2 cos 5x by 2 cos x. This is equal to 0, right? That's what is given. You have to solve for this equation. So we can see that at least any one of them can be 0 for the expression to be 0. That means either cos x by 2 equal to 0, or so what are the solutions for this? Cos x by 2 equal to 0 and x is in the range 0 to 2 pi. This means x by 2 is equal to pi by 2, right? Or 3 pi by 2. Cos of pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2 are 0. So x can be pi or 3 pi. Similarly, this one will give us so that means 5x equal to pi or 3 pi by 5. This gives us pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2. So the possible values are pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, pi, 3 pi, pi by 5, 3 pi by 5. So these 6 values you are getting. But x is in the range, they are given x is in the range 0 to 2 pi, right? So this is okay, but this is not okay. This is not in that range 0 to 2 pi. So this is okay. This is less than 2 pi, less than 2 pi, less than 2 pi. So these are the 5 values which are less than 2 pi. So these are the 5 solutions. Namely pi 5 by 5, 3 pi by 5, 5 by 2. So 5 solutions. Option 2. Okay. Right. So, are you following? Uh,
Yes, sir.
Sundaresan and Akshaya. You're okay, right, Akshaya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do the next problem. A man is walking towards a vertical pillar in a straight path at a uniform speed. At a certain point A on the path, he observes that the angles of elevation of the top of the pillar is 30 degree. After walking for 10 minutes, for him to reach the pillar from B. So there's a pillar. So there is a point A. So let us say this is XY. At some point A, the angle of elevation of the top of the pillar is 30 degrees. For some time. Now he finds that the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. So this is 10 minutes distance. Okay. So then the time taken from B to pillar, what is this? Okay, this is 10 minutes distance. This is how many minutes distance? Okay. So here again, the same similar approach, tan 30, tan 60. So from this you can solve it very easily. So I want you to try this. Okay, both of you, can you please try for some time and let me know what you are getting? Let us say this is your X. Okay, and this is Y. So we can take 10 minutes equal to 10 meters also. The uniform speed, right? So it's treat like that. So assuming he travels 1 minute, 1 meter per minute. So please try for some time. Write down tan 30 degree, tan 60 degree, and from that you see if you can solve for X. Okay.
I'm actually traveling right now, sir.
Let's see what Akshay is getting. Then we will do
Yes,
it. Oh, okay. So you are not in a position to work.
yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So, what are the steps, Sundaresan? What is tan 30? Is y section போட்டுக்கலாம். Is that right? Sundaresan, is that what you did?
Yes.
Right? Tan 60 is y by x. Now we have to eliminate y, right? So the y can be easily eliminated by dividing the two equations. Is that what you did, Sundaresan? You divide the 1 by 2, what you get is y by 10 plus x divided by y by x equal to 1 by root 3 divided by root 3. Y by 10 by x by y by x will be x divided by 10 plus x equal to 1 by root 3 divided by root 3 will be 1 by 3. Three x equal to 10 plus x. Very straightforward problem. 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes distance. Okay, it's not right like that. X is 5 meters, which will be covered in 5 minutes. Okay, time taken is 5 minutes. B2x. Your option 4. Okay. I think next problem is also something that you can try. Okay. So let me draw it here. Two vertical poles AB and CD. AB is taller and CD is shorter. This is 10 meters. 10 meters. A and C on the ground. Okay. P is the point of intersection of BC and AD. Then the height of P above the line AC. Okay. So only given information is this is 15 meters and this is 10 meters. Nothing else is given. Okay. So if you can determine means it is very interesting, right? Because whatever be the distance AC, this height is going to be the same. So whether you put the poles 100 meters apart or 50 meters apart, whatever it is, it's not going to be dependent on this AC, right? So that's very interesting, right? So can you solve this problem? Please do it. I think Akshay, again, you are not in a position to do, right? So, but you can think about it and let Sundaresan come up with an answer for this.
சார் எனக்கு இதை எப்படி அப்ரோச் பண்ணுறதுன்னு தெரியல சார்.
Right. See, இதில் tan theta மாதிரி போட முடியாது. It needs a different approach. Here you use the similar triangles. Okay, you see these two are similar triangles, right? ABC and PQC are similar triangles, right? So from that, let us say this is x1, this is x2, and let us say this is your x, right? So once you have this, so use the similar triangle, the two triangles ABC and PQC, you write one equation. Similarly, you write another equation, because this is also, there are two similar triangles, APQ and ADC. So in the first triangle, you have x divided by 15. Triangles A, B, C and PQC. We have x. They are similar, right? Because all the three angles are common. X divided by 15 is equal to x2 divided by x1 plus x2. So in the other two triangles, triangle ADC and APQ, these two triangles, you have similar. X by 10 equal to x1 by x1 plus x2.
சார் அது எக்ஸ் பை 15 தான் வருமா சார்? எக்ஸ் பை x2 ஈக்குவல் டு 15 by x1 plus x2 வராது சார்?
You can write it in many ways, but I have written in one way. அதான். ஸோ இந்த ட்ரையாங்கிளில் உள்ள கரஸ்பாண்டிங் சைட்ஸ் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன். இது எடுத்துட்டிங்கன்னா இது சின்ன ட்ரையாங்கிளில் உள்ள சைடு எக்ஸ், அதுக்கு கரஸ்பாண்டிங் சைடு 10. அதே மாதிரி சின்ன ட்ரையாங்கிள் உள்ளது x1க்கு கரஸ்பாண்டிங் சைடு x1 plus x2, அந்த மாதிரி எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன். நீங்க வேற மாதிரி கூட எடுத்துக்கலாம். நீங்க எப்படி எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்க
சார்? நான் வந்து x by x1 equal to 10 by x1 plus x2 எடுத்துக்கிட்டேன் சார்.
x by x1 equal to 10 by x1 plus x2 அப்படியே எடுத்துக்கலாம். Okay, so it's the same, right? See, இதை மாத்தி போட்டா அப்படி வந்துடும். இந்த x1 இப்படி கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா இங்க x by x1 equal to 10 by x1, ரெண்டும் ஒன்று தான், ரைட்? இப்போ what is the next step?
Okay. சார் டிவைட் பண்ணும் சார். ஆனா டிவைட் பண்ணா இதுல x போயிருது சார்.
Divide panna, you're not going to get the solution, right? X eliminate item. So you will probably get a ratio for x1 by x2 by dividing, but that won't help us, right?
Yes.
So இப்போ என்ன பண்ணும், you add the two. That is what you have to do here. Okay, so you can see that x by 15 plus x by 10 equal to now you can solve for x, right? If you add the two, you're getting a very simple equation. X by 15 plus x by 10 equal to 1 and வந்துடுது. So what is 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10? 30. 2 plus 3 by 30. So this is 5 by 30, 1 by 6. So you get 6 meters. Okay. Okay. Meters is an option, right? D. Okay. Let's look at this problem. You're okay, right? Sundaresan and Akshaya? You have followed this problem? And there's another person also now, Paul Simon. Hi, Paul.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, I think you joined late, right?
Yeah, sir.
I hope you are following. We are doing problems on trigonometry. So we have done 3 problems. This is the 4th problem. Okay, so using similar triangles, we are solving this problem. You are following, right? Whatever we have worked.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So for this problem, the solution is x equal to 6 meters, option D. Let's go to the next problem. So the angle of elevation of a cloud C from point P 200 meter above a still lake is 30 degrees. If the angle of depression of the image of C in the lake from the point P is 60 degree, then what is PC? You can try to solve it yourself, all of you. Let me draw the diagram. This is your ground level. Here is a cloud. And here is the point P. So this is your ground level, means the point P is here, 200 meters above the ground level. Now what is he saying? Angle of elevation of the cloud from P this is 30 degrees. Okay. And now draw this. This is a lake. Okay. So the image of the cloud is going to be here. such that, so let us say C D E. CD will be equal to DE. Okay. So now this angle of depression of this point is 60 degree. So this is the diagram. Now this is a rectangle. So since this is 200 meters, so this is also 200 meters. Let's say CDE, and this point, let us see Q. So the QD will be 200 meters. So here you can put down tan 30 degree, tan 60 degree, and you can solve it fairly easily. Paul, you are in 11th class, right? Or 12th?
Yes, sir. 11th.
Okay, very good. Please work on this, okay? Hi, Shanmugam. I see a new student there. Shanmugam? Hi. So we are doing problems of trigonometry. So please work on this problem. Okay, the problem that is shown on the board. Are you able to progress? Sundaresan, Paul, Shanmugam. I know that Akshaya is not in a position to do. Rest of you, are you able to do it?
Sir, option B is a correct. I think so, sir.
Okay. So you got 400 into root 3. Okay. Distance PC. Okay. What about others? Sundaresan, Shanmugam?
Sir, I stuck on somewhere, sir.
Sorry?
Sir, I stuck on somewhere, sir.
You got stuck. Okay. What about Shanmugam? Okay. Shanmugam has left the meeting. Okay, good. See, I will give some clue. Now put this CQ as X. Okay. So then the CD becomes X plus 200, which is equal to D, right? Okay. Now, let us write down tan 30 and tan 60. Tan 30 degree is equal to X divided by PQ. Now tan 60 degree and tan 60 degree is 200 plus X plus 200. That is the opposite side. Divided by base is the same. Now again you divide, you will eliminate PQ and you will have an equation in X. Right, Sundaresan? So
Yes,
you can
sir.
solve for X now, right? So how did you do? Why did you get stuck?
Sir, I missed the point DE as X plus 200, sir.
Okay, okay. Because this is mirror image. So, right. Okay. So let's proceed. Now divide 1 by 2, like the same thing, similar thing that we did in another problem also. So when you divide, what do you get? X by PQ divided by equal to 1 by root 3 divided by root 3. So here PQ will go away and what will remain is X by X plus 400. Okay. Below 1 by 3. So you can solve for X now. So we are getting X equal to 200. But that is not the answer. Okay, should not jump to answer. Because what is required is PC. Okay. PC. So what we have found out is only uh, X. Right? So from that, so how are you going to get PC?
Sir, sin theta, sir.
Very good. Okay. Very good. So this x is equal to 200, right? Okay. So, so in this PQC triangle, sine 30 degree equal to 200 by PC. Therefore, PC equal to 200 by sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree is half, right? So your answer is 400. Paul, what did you miss? Why did you get?
Sir.
You got a different answer, right? What did you miss? So the right answer is coming to 400, which is your option C. Uh, so I asked you, Paul, which step? What did you miss? Why did you get a different answer?
Sir, I calculated the degrees also, sir.
You calculated what?
Degree also, sir.
Degree. And which degree? That,
Sine 30 and then 16, no, sir.
hmm,
10.
hmm,
I just add the degrees and put root
hmm,
in separate way.
hmm.
Somewhere I mistaked.
Okay. I hope you followed now how to do it, right? You understand, right?
Yes, sir.
The correct answer is 400. Right. Okay. So there is this one more problem now. This will be the last problem for today. Okay. So L equal to sine square pi by 16 minus sine square pi by 8, and M equal to cos square pi by 16 minus sine square pi by 8. Then find out M and L. Okay. So you can find out M as well as L. So we have to find out both M and L. From the first equation, you can find L. Second equation, you can find M. So how can we find? Because we don't know the value of pi square, pi by 16 and pi by 8 and all. So we have to, simplify it. So pi by 16 at least we have to try to remove. So that is what they are done. At least the pi by 16 they are removed and they have got it in terms of pi by 8. So how can we do that? Think about it. How we can eliminate one this pi square pi by 16 component. I'll give you a clue. So you use this cos 2 theta formula. Okay, cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sine square theta. From this we can write cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. From the second one we can write So use this formula. So we can convert pi by 16 to pi by 8. And then you will, because they only eliminated pi by 16, the answer is in terms of pi by 8. So you can simply, by using this substitution, we can eliminate pi by 16. Substitute and find out the values of L and M. So here sine square 16 will be 1 minus cos 2 theta whole divided by 2 minus but we know the value of this, right? This is 1 by 2 here, because minus into minus plus. So what is cos pi by 4? 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 divided by 2. This half gets cancelled and you get L equal to 1 by 2 root 2 minus half cos pi by 8. So 1 by 2 root 2, is that option given for L?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So same way do for M. I'll give a couple of minutes. Just do same thing you do, same way you do for M and C.
Sir, can you scroll down the question?
Oh, okay. Cos square pi by 16 minus sin square pi by 8.
Sir, 1 by 2 root 2 plus half cos pi by 8, sir.
Okay, so that option is given for M, right? Option number 1.
Yes, sir.
You're getting it. Very good. I think that should be the answer. What about Paul? Could you do that?
I'm just completing, sir. Sir, option A.
Hmm. Very good. So it is 1 by 2 root 2 plus half of cos pi by 8. Good. So you all got it. Option A. Mhm. Okay. So I think we'll wrap it up for today. I think since we have, I think we have done enough on trigonometry. So we will move on to the next chapter, which will be permutations and combinations. So உங்களுக்கு I think the classல permutations and combinations நடத்திருப்பாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் இல்லையா for 11th standard Akshaya and Paul can confirm
Sir, no, sir.
Teniya
Salem.
Teni Salem okay combinations okay various videos YouTube videos and all that right
சார் நான் என்னோட 11th ஹாலிடேஸ் வந்து 7th சாப்டரும் 8th சாப்டரும் யூடியூப் பார்த்து முடிச்சிட்டேன் சார்
let's see we have to take care of all the students இல்லையா so exam and holiday exam during your holidays we will work okay? And similarly for 12th also Sundaresan okay there is going to be a class of trigonometry inverse trigonometry right so we'll wrap it up day after tomorrow and when we resume it will be the next chapter which will be analytical geometry okay
sir
okay good night see you all in the next class